Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Jerry, and right now we about to check out XG. Everything I do it A1, flawless.
Pandemonium.
Riot. XG tape number 3A, 210s with Harvey and Maya. Now I've seen them, I think I've seen it live. I think they performed this at Head in the Clouds, New York, which I am jealous that everybody got to witness that, because everybody was like saying all the words, and I wish I was part of that crowd next time. They're coming to LA, Head in the Clouds LA. Please invite me, Head in the Clouds. Let me do something. Alright, XG, let's do a collab. Why not? Let's do something. I'm down. Maybe we could have like a freestyle battle or something like that. Your boy can freestyle somewhat. Your boy can freestyle. Like on Twitch, I do freestyle. I was playing Cuphead.
You know how to start it, you a bench warmer bitch. Keep on going like you eating sandwiches. You can't even make a fucking sandwich, cause your stupid ass looking like you damaged. Keep on going in the other beat. This Taurus right here gonna suck my meat. Whoa, what I say on that verse? But yo, keep on going, never worse. And oh, I keep on shooting all these bullets, cause this girl taking all these heat. What you doing? In these fucking sheets, keep on going, never stopping. Hey, you don't even know what you going when I'm topping. Hey, give me toppy, sloppy, keep on going, floppy. You don't know what you gonna do. Whoa, I keep on going, Blues Clues, give me clues so I can beat this bitch too. And I'ma get my Super Saiyan, always knowing, playing, everybody keep on going, never stopping, Cuphead blowing.
Your boy can spit fire sometimes. Harvey and Maya covered this, or did their own version of 210s, which is by Corday and Anderson .Paak. Shout out to them, by the way. Freaking fire. There's a little taste of what the original sounds like.
Okay, two friends and they both tens, looking nice. Too bent, I should call it quits, but I'm not.
Hey.
No chances, we all dance in the light. Tell me what's the odds.
Hey, what you guys think about XG overall? Like, I know they're still brand new of a girl group. I feel like still, nah, not true. They've been in the game, but still, like, if you're a new fan, what do you guys think? What are your thoughts on XG? Who's your bias, if you have a bias? They are a Japanese girl group, and they're killing it.
Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Okay. Where'd they find a BTS school bus? Like, from No More Dream. What? Where'd they get that? Hey.
Two twins and we both tens.
Hey.
Two little Asians.
I remember it was so hype when they were performing this live. Hey.
XG pushing XP, breaking boundaries.
Ooh, XG pushing XP, breaking. Ooh.
Hit different, build different, new breed.
Okay.
The dual dynamic wreak havoc on the scene.
Hey.
HARVEY getting busy like Bonnie nominee. Top tier, that's a big G, probably actually. So what we doing? Make a big member do.
I like how it goes day and night too.
There's no such thing as mediocre heat.
Nope.
Nerve on these girls trying to pop if on a Jacob beat.
Yep. Ooh, okay, Harvey. Infinity?
Stick with the shots like John Wick when I'm killing it.
Hey.
Stacking immaculately, Super Saiyan slaying it.
You better. Super Saiyan slaying it. Hey.
We don't sleep
Ooh,
on bars
let's switch
of
up.
wordplay.
We don't sleep, y'all. Hey.
Cause we got what it takes to rock the mic right.
Hey.
Two twins and we both tens
On the mic. Hey, look how Harvey get it.
Cause we got what it takes to rock the mic
right. Hey.
Two teams, tag team,
Double trouble. Hey.
That means we
On the cover. Hey.
Bang bang, keep shining on him. This one got a dime, plus I got 5 on it.
Hey.
2 tens times that we keep it 100. 10
Hey.
out of 10, we ain't doing nothing less than perfect.
Hey.
Purpose them mother subliminal kids and trying to hurt no feelings unless the shoe fits.
Damn, that was a lot of words to put. Subliminal kids ain't trying to hurt no feelings unless the shoe fits. That's a lot of words. Let me hear that again.
Nothing less than perfect. The purpose them subliminal kids and trying to
Subliminal kids. Ooh.
hurt no feelings unless the shoe fits. 2 tens are cool kids that are nobody too clueless. Who can do this?
Ooh, switch up on the language. That's crazy. That's like 3 languages they got. That's different, y'all. Rapping in 3 languages.
Two twins and we both tens on the mic.
Hey.
2 little Asians, like what's all the hype?
2 little Asians, like what's all the hype?
We ate the last tape, then no crumbs left tonight. 'Cause
True.
we got what it takes to rock the mic,
Hey,
right?
hey, get it, Harvey. Get it, Maya. Get it, Harvey. Get it, Maya. Hey, get it. Aw, they having fun too. They killing the game though. Yeah, only way is up. Keep on going, XG. X tape. I love the X tapes. I mean, the last one went hella viral because, you know, Coconut. Like, all of them. All of them. They're all hella talented. Ever since, like, even Tippy Toes, I was like, oh, they got something different a little bit. But I had to see, like, how they're going to grow. And they're growing. So, big up to XG. Big up to the whole X Galaxy. X Gal X. X Lab Studio. Shout out to everybody. Simon, Chancellor, everybody. Keep on getting it. I mean, you got people covering your own songs and doing remixes. That's kind of crazy. Left and Right is still goated. Shooting Star is still goated. Mascara is goated, to be honest. I feel like, I mean, in the beginning, I was like, okay, Mascara's cool, but now, you know what? Mess with it. I mess with it. Tippy Toes is always good. That's a good debut, too. Anyways, XG, can't wait for more. And yeah. I can't wait for the next mixtape, too, actually. I don't know if it's going to come out soon, but it's your boy, JRE. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys to the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
He got an X, so that joint is old school.